You can see all the symbols used to create Awakened. They are taken outside a haunted house in the city. One image looked like a stage, and I thought of Shakespeare's quote, "All the world's a stage." The old curtain made me think of a curtain call. When I saw the old gauze with the holes, I thought of myself, old but rich in texture. The addition of the eye of a child some weeks later led to the unfolding of the story. Awakened for me is the awakening of the artist in me. The Etobicoke Camera Club was my stage as I entered all the competitions the club had to offer. There were many wins or curtain calls, but the one that I valued the most is the discovery of the voice within. Awakened is a story for all of humanity. Have you ever had the feeling of discovering something new within you? Have you awakened to the artist within you? Have you found your voice yet? If not, keep looking. It's there, inside you.